Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update your drivers in your Windows easily. So let's get started. At the start icon, do a right click and scroll up to go for Device Manager. So once you find it, just tap it to run. Okay. So once this device manager will open, just simply expand it by clicking the bar icon, and this time you need to look for display adapters. Okay, so I can see here display adapters next to disk drives. Okay, so here you need to click this forward arrow and go for the graphic cards that you want to. In my case, I have only one, but if in your case you have two to three, just select any of the graphic cards that you want to update. Then select it, then do a right click and go for properties. Okay. Here in this new window, you can see five options. This time you need to go for driver. Okay. Now here's the catch. You need to look for the driver date if it's updated or outdated. In my case, it is in December 11th, 2020, which is updated. And let's say if your driver is 6 years old or 7 years old outdated, then go for update driver. Just simply click on it. You can see there next to driver details, click on it. And the moment you click on that, these two options will appear. Here, you can automatically search for drivers and also you can manually search for drivers. Let's go for the first one. Okay, so if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then proceed to the second one, which is search for updated drivers and Windows Update. Okay, so in this manner, you will be able to update your drivers and it will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your machine or computer. So you just have to wait and then restart your computer. So in that manner, you are able to successfully update your drivers. Okay, so if you want to manually update your drivers, then click this backward arrow and go for the second option. Just simply click on it and here, search for drivers in this location. Just have to browse the location and go for downloads. Let's find downloads. Okay. Then click on OK and then click on next. Okay. So in that manner, you are able to update your driver manually. Okay. So the next is go for this. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here we are rolling back the driver. And since we are rolling back the driver, you need to check one by one and test what graphic cards is working for you. Okay, just select one of this and then click on next and select the two, the another graphic cards in your computer and click on next and see what graphic cards works for you best. Okay, so let's say you wouldn't be able to update your drivers in that step, then simply close this window. Okay, then close this and then copy this name, which is Intel R UHD Graphics, and visit the manufacturer website like Lenovo, HP, Dell, and make sure that you only visit the manufacturer website and just click on install and double tap to open, and in that manner, you are able to update your graphics. Okay? So that's it. That's how easy to automatically or manually update your drivers. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.